Hey everyone, here's the Nephi 6th Ward November Ward Temple Challenge. So it's really simple, and we're trying to be flexible with COVID, but the goal is to attend the temple with someone else in the ward within the month of November and post a picture on the ward Facebook page. And if you aren't able to do that or you need help, you can reach out to me or anybody else in Relief Society or Elders Quorum Presidency, and they'd be happy to help you. But I'm going to just remind you guys, the Crowthers did this a few weeks ago, but I'm going to remind you guys how to schedule an appointment. So it's really simple. I just Googled Payson Temple. Let's see if I can just do it real quick. You'll click on the first thing that pops up when you see Payson Temple, and then you'll go in the top right corner. You'll sign in to your LDS account. And then once you're in, and this might take a second to load. Once you're in, you click on Appointments. And then you select the temple, choose which ordinance you would like to do. And this is the reason we're doing it in a month, is because it's really, these are all days that the temple's available, but not all the times are open. So let's say my wife and I and somebody else in the ward who are going to go together, let's say we want to go on the 12th. Like I said, they're not all available. So the sooner you can get on and reserve a session, the better. And then you just click on one, and then it's reserved, and you're good to go. So it's pretty straightforward. And if you need help, feel free to call me. But we look forward to seeing pictures of you and some people in the ward that you went to the temple with.